Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the music options on WhatsApp status is missing. So as you know that WhatsApp has updated its feature, now you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status. But if you are unable to add music to your WhatsApp status because the music options is missing or you cannot find it, through this video, I'm going to show you some easy fixes to solve the problem. The first solution, you can just update your WhatsApp to the latest versions. So you can just open the Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. And then you can search for WhatsApp. And you can tap on update if there is update available in here. And after that, you can restart your phone and check if the music options appears. So why you need to do this? Because older versions of WhatsApp might not support this feature. And a second solution, you can try to clear the WhatsApp cache. So this is for Android only. You can go to your phone settings and then find apps. Here you can just select WhatsApp, tap on the storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. After that, you can restart WhatsApp and check again. So why you need to do this? Because clearing the cache can remove temporary bugs that cause missing features. And the next solution, you can use an alternative method to add music. You can play the song in Spotify, YouTube Music, or any music app, and you can just open WhatsApp and go to updates and record a video while the music is playing. And you can just post it as your status. And next, you can also check for WhatsApp beta features. You can join the WhatsApp beta via Google Play Store because some features roll out in a beta before the public release. And if available, you can update to beta and check for music options. And last resort, you can also reinstall the WhatsApp, but you need to back up your chats first, uninstall it and reinstall it again, and restore your chat and check if the music feature available. And to add the music, you can just go to updates on WhatsApp, click on this camera icon, take a photo, or just choose a photo from your gallery. For example, here I'm going to just go to camera and use to take a picture like this. And at the top, you'll see this music icon or this song icon. Now you can just search the songs that you want and tap on this arrow to add it to your WhatsApp status. Choose the part of the song and click on done. And that's it. Now you can just send the update to your WhatsApp status. So that's all from me. Now you can add music to your WhatsApp status without any issues, and let me know if you need more help. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.